Hello, Elmore County. My name is Troy Stubbs. I serve as chairman of the Elmore County Commission, and I'm here today to address the efforts being put forth in Elmore County to combat the coronavirus. First, I'd like to acknowledge and express appreciation to President Trump, Vice President Pence, and the medical experts who have provided us with leadership and guidance over the last several weeks, as we all have many questions and we're looking for answers. We also appreciate Governor Ivey and the legislature and others who have put forth much time and energy to fight this faceless enemy. The Alabama Department of Public Health and Dr. Scott Harris have done a tremendous job of giving information and providing us with encouraging words and guidance and direction so that we can all overcome this difficult time. On a local level, we've made every effort to continue to communicate with our local leaders, elected and department heads, and others who might have encouraging words, advice, or direction as to how we can better serve the citizens of Elmore County. We have recognized that this is an impact on everyone's individual life, and we want to do everything that we can to help lift up the spirits and help us overcome these trying times as quickly as possible. We met with all 8 municipalities on Monday, March the 16th, to sign a state of emergency for Elmore County and each respective municipality in our county. This was a signal of great collaboration, and we appreciate all the mayors and their support in this effort. On Tuesday, March the 17th, we had a joint press conference with the Elmore Community Hospital. Amanda Hannon and Mike Bruce have done a tremendous job of working closely with the Alabama Department of Public Health to establish a collection site at the Elmore Community Hospital. To date, they have collected 102 specimens, all to be tested. We appreciate their willingness and the people who work at the community hospital and their willingness to serve the public and to provide this service. In addition to that, we have worked closely with our EMA, and our EMA director, Keith Barnett, has done a tremendous job of securing necessary protective equipment for our first responders and many others in the medical profession in our community. To date, we have distributed over 7,000 N95 masks. The EMA is also currently distributing 20 gowns, 4,000 surgical masks, 600 gloves, 240 PPE suits, and in the process of distributing an additional 13,300 N95 masks to EMS and our ambulatory services and nursing homes. 31 different agencies have received these supplies, and we appreciate Keith Barnett's leadership and his constant communication with our state leaders to express to them the needs that we have in Elmore County for these supplies. We will continue to secure as many supplies as necessary to protect our first responders, medical professionals, and our entire community. We encourage citizens of Elmore County to utilize all of the resources available for accurate information. On our website, elmoreco.org, we have a tab at the top, COVID-19, which will link you to direct sources of information, including the CDC, the Alabama Department of Public Health, and other resources that will provide you with accurate, timely information on the coronavirus. The government has also established a website, www.coronavirus.gov. So please check out these resources, look for accurate information so that we can make sure that our citizens are all armed with accurate, detailed information on how they can individually and collectively combat this virus. I'd also like to mention a few things about our efforts in communication with our federal, state, and local leaders. I have been in communication with Representative Martha Roby. We are navigating through the decisions that are being made on a federal level with respect to legislation that will impact us here in Elmore County, not only impacting us with our access to these needed protective supplies, but also to protect our local economy. We have worked with our local delegation in the legislature. We've worked with the governor's office, and we've also kept in constant contact with our 8 municipalities to ensure that we are protecting the interests of the citizens of Elmore County. So I look forward to seeing what Congress comes out with in the coming days so that we can navigate through that and make sure that the citizens of Elmore County are getting what they need to overcome this crisis. Our local economy is also struggling at this time. We recognize many of our small businesses have many questions about what to do, how long will this last, and how can I survive the coronavirus. I hope that each of you will look to resources through our Chambers of Commerce and the Elmore County Economic Development Authority. They have access to many different tools that will help you to overcome these difficult times. They can give you access to SBA loans and other resources available from the federal and state government. I hope that we will all look for ways to support these local businesses. We have opportunities to purchase gift certificates for future use. We can do carry-out or take-out, and also delivery from our food vendors. Look for ways to lift them up, lift their spirits up, give them some encouraging words. We also have some of our citizens who have lost jobs during this time. We hope that they'll be able to find employment soon. We hope that each of us will listen to them, be encouraging, and help them find access to a job in the near future. These times are very difficult. These are unprecedented times. There is no discounting the challenges that each of you are facing individually. I hope, however, that we can all look forward to brighter days. Optimism is contagious. I hope that each of us will look for ways to spread optimism rather than spread the coronavirus.